Did you know your body talks to you all the time? But most people don't understand the language. Small signals like dry lips, nail spots, or trouble sleeping can be silent screams that you're missing a vital nutrient. And here's the scary part. Most people ignore them until bigger problems show up. Today you'll discover what those signals mean, why they happen, and what you can do to restore your body's natural balance. 1. Bleeding or swollen gums. If you see blood when brushing your teeth, it's not always the toothbrush. It could be a lack of vitamin C and bioflavonoids. Without them, your capillaries weaken. Plus, sugar competes with vitamin C absorption. 2. White spots on your nails. Those little white marks, a clear sign that sugar drained your zinc levels. Zinc regulates over 300 processes in your body. Cutting refined carbs and adding zinc-rich foods can bring your nails and skin back to health. 3. Dry, flaky skin. Peeling around your nose or forehead often means your omega-3 and omega-6 are out of balance. Too much fried food and vegetable oils raise omega, leaving your skin dull. Fatty fish or cod liver oil can fix it fast. 4. Leg or foot cramps. Night cramps aren't just fatigued, they're usually a magnesium deficiency. You'll find it in green vegetables, thanks to chlorophyll. Just one salad a day can work wonders. 5. Cracked lips or mouth corners. That painful split lip often reveals a lack of vitamins B2 and B3. Refined foods strip away these nutrients. Nutritional yeast or whole foods make a big difference. 6. Swollen ankles or feet edema. If pressing your skin leaves a dent, it may mean low potassium and high sodium. Sugar makes it worse. More leafy greens and potassium electrolytes help flush out the excess fluid. 7. Poor night vision. Struggling to drive at night or see in dim light is a classic sign of vitamin A deficiency. And carrots alone won't cut it, to need active retinol from liver, eggs, or fish. 8. Yellowish eyes. If the whites of your eyes look yellow, that's a warning from your liver and gallbladder. Your body may need more bile salts to detox and digest fats properly. 9. Irritability and racing thoughts. Feeling nervous, restless, or unable to sleep is often linked to low vitamin B1. A little nutritional yeast before bed can calm your mind and improve sleep. 10. Strange cravings like chewing ice. This odd habit is more common than you think. Canned often, a sign of iron deficiency anemia. The fix isn't ice, but iron-rich foods like red meat, liver, or egg yolks. The good news, most of these signals have simple solutions. Adjust your diet, cut back on sugar, and add more natural foods packed with vitamins and minerals. Remember, your body never lies, it just warns you. Listening today can save you from bigger problems tomorrow.